Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikita Nair, and if you're new here, I hope you stick around, and if you've been here a while, I hope you like and subscribe so that I get more engagement out of my content. So for today's video, we're going to be painting. My cousin's wedding was a few months ago and I haven't gifted her anything, so I decided to commission myself to paint a painting for her. I just went to ArtStation and got some supplies. We're going to be using this 2x3 canvas. I got very limited supplies because art's expensive. It's going to be a mix of pour painting and a little bit of my painting art skills. So some white paint, some pouring medium, some random paints. I also borrowed some brushes from my friend because I'm in Mumbai and all of my paint supplies are back in Bangalore. We're going to start with painting a base on the canvas. We're going to paint it white. I also forgot to mention, this is a rough draft that I've made on PicsArt of the idea that I want to put out on the canvas. It's a wine glass and a beer glass merging. It's like a representation of my cousin and her husband. Now that we're sufficiently done with the base painting, we're going to leave it to dry overnight because I want it dried before I start the pour painting or else it'll be a mess. Also, we're going to draw an outline tomorrow. So I'm going to do some other stuff now and I'll see you tomorrow. So it's day 2 and during the day I did a little bit of a sketch to get the basic image on the canvas. And now we're going to start with pour painting. A wine glass and a beer mug.
You got me down on the ground like I see no vision. I owe some mirrors and baby, nothing's clearer. You got me running around like there's so much to do, but maybe that's too much for you. But maybe that's too much for you.
I tried pour painting, but I am very impatient. So as you saw, I did not mix enough pouring medium. So half of the work was done by hand. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do next. So I'm just going to wash my hand and see if I can make anything out of whatever shit I've done so far. Hi people, so finally I'm done with the fluid art portion of this, which wasn't really fluid, but it turned out some kind of way. And I think it's not bad. I mean, my execution was obviously not on point, and the image I had was obviously better than my execution, so I don't know what to say. Anyways, it's only halfway done, so please don't judge harshly. But let's see. This portion is supposed to be the wine glass and this portion is supposed to be the beer mug. But I think I might just pull this off. What say? I mean, art always comes together in the end, according to me. I used a lot of different paints and all the paints did not have the same consistency. So the tiny bottles of acrylic versus the big bottle of acrylic, this is pouring material, but the big bottle, they have very different consistency. This did not really need a pouring medium, but the big white bottle did, and it just wasn't meshing together. So all the paints, one was running faster than the other, so it was a kind of a mess, but I guess you'll just learn from my mistakes. I made a teensy bit of a change and I hope this shows what I'm trying to achieve with this painting. So Hi people, welcome back. Day 3 of painting my gift for my cousin. And today we're gonna do the final touches, that is the wine glass, the beer bottle, and the heart. These are the reference images I'm using for the wine glass and the beer bottle. Let's get to it.
Don't laugh at me, don't laugh at me. I'm staring at this window, please can't notice it. Don't laugh at me, all these memories they all begin to float away again. Hard to reach. You got me down on the ground like I see double vision. Aisles of mirrors and mirrors and baby, nothing's clearer. You got me running around like there's so much to do. But maybe that's too much for you. But maybe that's too much for you.
Honestly, painting's so hard. I started at like 1:30. It's 3:30 now, and I've only done one wine glass. I have paint everywhere. Sorry, not even one. It's half a wine glass. A little neon heart right in the center because the center was a little bit messy, and I already had it in the description image. So now I'm gonna do the second cup, that is the beer mug, and I'm gonna sign it, and I think after that I'm done. It's difficult for me to paint and record because all of the stuff for reference is on my phone, so I'm just gonna paint this beer mug real quick and show you the final work. I'm so tired, my back hurts, and I just popped this brush into my mouth and it has paint on it. I may just be a victim of paint poisoning. Don't listen to me, I'm just very, very tired right now. That's my painting. I don't have my art supplies in Mumbai, so I don't have a palette, but this bottle is my palette. See? Grey, off white, a little bit of pink, a little bit of light grey. Artist hack. I am so freaking tired. My back hurts. And I'm finally done with the painting, as I mentioned earlier. I'm gonna go for a quick shower because there's literally paint everywhere. And then I'll show you the painting. So, cue the montage.
I love you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I need you, baby. So on my lonely nights, I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say, oh pretty baby, don't bring me down, I pray. Oh pretty baby, now that I found you, stay and let me love you, baby. Let me love you. You're just too good to be true.
Oh my god, this is so thoughtful! Oh my god! Maybe you see? Maybe that's a wine and beer. Nico, you have so much talent.
Huh? I can see the wine and I can see the beer.
This is so thoughtful.
Thanks.
This is so pretty, Nico. Oh my god.
I'm glad you like it.
I love it. Awesome. This is a beautiful gift.
See, you saw my sister's reaction to the wedding gift, and I'm so glad she liked it. I think that she was being a little too generous because I don't know. I feel like I could have had a little more patience and done way better. But I think represents them perfectly, and I'm glad that they liked it. Really glad. If you have any suggestions on what I could have done better or what artworks I can do in the future, please do let me know. I hope you like that video. Subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you bitches later. Bye!